Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman, and as you can tell, I've been wearing these Keen boots for the last half year or so, and I want to tell you what I like about them. First off, I am a work boot guy. I've been wearing my work boots every day for the last 10 years or so, and my biggest complaint is that they are stiff and they are heavy. And I think that's the issue these Red Hook work boots by Keen are trying to solve. The cool thing about these is that they're a really sturdy and tough work boot, but they are kind of crossed with a more of an athletic feel and lightweight shoe. There's a few things that contribute to that. First, we've got the safety toe. Now this is not your standard steel safety toe, this is a carbon safety toe, which makes it a lot lighter. The next thing I like about it is the soft sole of these shoes. Very unlike my day-to-day work boots with a hard sole, and the fabric. The top of this shoe is a nice light material with a breathable liner on the inside. And I really think that these boots look really nice. They've got this nice leather on the upper side here and this material that is very, very durable for those areas of the shoe that see a lot of abuse. I work on a lot of different surfaces day to day, whether that's my garage, in the shop, in and out of my car, outside. No matter what, my feet are comfortable. The soft soles of this thing really make me feel like I'm wearing a nice athletic shoe. And I still have that safety feature with the safety toe. And it's all lightweight. I can wear them all day, no problem. So if you're looking for a new work boot and might want to find something a little bit softer when you're walking, something more comfortable like an athletic shoe, check out these Red Hook work boots by Keen because they are Family Handyman approved. To see more products that are tested and approved, head to familyhandyman.com.